Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel CSwithRahul. Today I am going to cover another question related to Java 8 Stream API. So currently I am going to take a question which is related to the merge array. So we have been provided two arrays where we have to merge them, but we have to keep in mind that we don't need to use any particular legacy method. What we have to use? We have to use only the Java 8 Stream API. So if we have been provided with two arrays like 4, 2, 7, 1, another array with some numbers like 8, 3, 9, 5, or multiple arrays, then what we have to do? Then we have to merge them in one single array. So here I will be using two approaches, three approaches, means scenarios I will cover. Like first I will merge a simple merge. After that I will do by the sorted merge. After that with no duplicates. All those approaches I will follow here. So be with the video till last so that you will be getting the points that how we can do this question. So without delay, let's get started. So first of all, let me tell you the question again, that we are having two arrays and we have to merge these two arrays using Java 8 Stream API. We are not going to follow any for loop or any other manual, means traditional loop, right? So before that, just about my YouTube video that I have created these coding videos in Hindi language also. If you are comfortable in Hindi, you can go and watch those videos from my playlist, Hindi playlist. If you are comfortable in only English language, then you can go and you can watch the video. So what you have to do, and one more thing, that I have covered some of the concepts through the Java shorts, so that you can quickly revise these kind of concepts by using playlist. In some time I will cover these concepts in English as well. So let's go to the our IntelliJ idea and we will see, or our Eclipse, and we will see that how can we code this. So first of all, let me create one class. Here I have already created one class, merge to array. Let me create one method which is main method. So here I have created the main method related, in which I will create two integer type array, which is, or I can provide like array1 new, and here what I will do, I will take some number by writing directly, means I am not going to take any user input. If you want, then definitely you can do it by the user input. That is your problem means that is your assignment that you have to do, right? My problem means that not that type of problem means assignment. So here I'm directly taking some numbers. So let me take the some number here is 4 to 8 1 9, some kind of numbers I am taking here. 4 comma 8 2 1 9. This is my first array. My another array is what? My another array is array 2. So definitely this question is very easy, but anyhow I am covering this so that you will get the concepts. By these type of questions we will get some important methods, that how can we approach if we will stuck in this type of coding, right? 6 8 2 5, like that number I am taking, 6 4 3 8, right? So this I am taking here. So let me do it. So I am creating the another array, which is the merged array I am creating here. So what we have to do, that we have to think in the logical manner, then we will apply the concept here. I am not applying the traditional approach. So first of all, what we have to do, first of all, we know that there is one stream class which is int stream, and int stream is having a concat method. So directly we will use that concat method. We will not do anything. Here I am creating one array which is merged array or resultant array, whatever the name you want to provide, you can give. So here I am providing int stream class. In int stream class I am having one method which is concat method dot concat. After the concat, here we have to provide the integer type stream. What we have to provide? The stream, integer type of stream. So how can we provide arrays dot stream like we can provide, right? We have to provide two streams. So what we can provide here? We can provide arrays dot stream, and whatever the integer array you have to pass it here. So this is my first array, first stream. After that, arrays dot stream again, and my second array, array 2, right? So this is the array. After that, we just need to call the two array. That's it, nothing. That's it, nothing else. See, and your array will be merged into the single array. Let me print out the array. System.out.println. Here is what? Here is arrays dot toString method we have, and in toString method we are providing merged array, right? We are providing merged array. It is very simple. Let me right click on it, run as Java application. So you can see the result 48219, and after that 6438. This is our merged array. What I have done, I am just calling the concat method of the int stream and providing the stream, because it will take the parameter as stream of integer. So I am providing array stream, then arrays dot stream 2, means whatever the array we have been provided, that I am giving inside it, right? After that, what we have to do, we have to just call the toArray method, so it will be converted into stored into merged array, right? Now another approach which I was talking about, that if we want to sort this array after the merge, then how can we do it? So nothing you have to do, you just need to call the sorted method, because see dot sorted, because already we are getting the int stream. So sorted method I am calling here. Right click, run as Java program, Java application, and then see the logic, see the output 1 2 3 4 4 6 8 8 9, right? So this is the resultant array in which we have sorted the output. One more thing, I hope till now you are clear. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment. Definitely I will cover in the next video. Next, see the output. Here we are having some elements which are duplicates, which are repeated, like 4 and 8. If you don't want to take them, then what we need to do? Then we can call the distinct method of the stream, int stream, right? Means it will do what? It will filter out the array and it will keep the unique elements only. Just right click, run as Java application. So see the output 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 6 8 9. This is the resultant array. This is very easy question, but my assignment for you is that you have to try this, or you have to write the code for 3 or 3 and 4 array object merge. This is your assignment, that you have to merge it. And how will you do it? Just do yourself, put the output, and keep posting your code in the comment box. Then I will see it. If you have any doubt, then definitely I will cover this in next video. If you have any doubt, definitely I am going to cover. But first you need to try yourself, and after watching this video also you need to keep in mind that you have to do the practice, because once you will see the video, without practice you cannot do anything. So if you like this video, then do hit the like button, share this video to your friends, comment if you have any doubt. Whatever the assignment I have given, comment that, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so that you will get the notification of my current uploaded videos very fast, and definitely you will learn something from my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. We will meet in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Keep watching, keep coding.